unity and unity consciousness. Instead of thinking about what is the purpose of my life, start thinking about what is the purpose of life. Take you out of the equation. Start to think about this experience you're having as an impersonal experience. Take yourself out the center of everything. Of course, you have a personal experience with an event that's happening in your life, but the event itself isn't personal. The event is impersonal. An example of this is archetype of mothering or birthing is an impersonal event, but if you have given birth, you have a personal experience of an impersonal event. You have an intimate experience of an impersonal event. So right now we are experiencing an impersonal global change and shift, and we have our own personal story that fits into that, but it's not happening to us personally. It's a very impersonal event because it's happening to the collective. Every single thing that you experience in your life is part of a collective experience, a collective story. It's very impersonal, to the point where heavy, dark experiences like suicide attempts or depression or feeling like you've been left out or bullied or that nothing ever goes right. On the full spectrum of events, they are not personal to you only. They exist within a collective, very impersonal experience. And you have a connection with it because you're experiencing it. There's an intimacy that you're having with that archetypal pattern, but it's not happening to you only. You are part of a thread that creates that collective experience, that very impersonal fabric. You may be a thread within the fabric, but you are not the fabric itself. This is really what transformation is that we see ourselves as a thread in the fabric of world global events, but it's not happening to us personally. We are not being hard done by on a personal level. Now we're having an intimate experience with it, but not personally responsible for it. This perceptive change has allowed me to step into ease and flow. Even when that ease and flow is challenging or it feels like I'm swimming upstream, it's as if the weight gets lifted off my shoulders and I can recognize that I am not alone. This is not happening to me. I am having an experience of something that's happening in the world. It allows me to soften into the experience, and then with that softening, with that ability to drop the agenda, the victim agenda, I'm able to go out into the world and find a solution from a place of calm. I can connect to like-mindeds. I can find resources that are going to help me through it. I can pick up the phone and call someone who I know has gone through something before, and then recognize myself in their story. And so the healing then continues and or begins. Just a reminder for you as well, that if you're going through anything that you feel is happening to you and you feel you're being victimized by a situation, see if you can change your perspective about it. Recognize that you're part of the fabric that created that archetype, that you're having an intimate experience with that particular archetype, but you are not the archetype itself. Have a wonderful day.